if-else statement in Java. Recently, voting was going on in my country, and I had actually gone for the vote. As you can see, there's a mark on my finger. When I gone to the vote, there was certain eligibility while voting. They told me, not me actually, but this is a condition that if you are 18 or 18 plus, then you are eligible for vote. But if you are not 18 or 18 plus, then you are not eligible for vote. That means that your age is, let's say, 2, 3 till 17. So that people are not eligible for vote. So I think that why not to code about a Java program about this, that and we learn about if-else condition. So what happened in if-else conditional statements, whatever execute in if, it is executing because it is fulfilling certain condition. Like in this case, 18 years or more than 18. And if something is executing from else case, that means that the if is not executing, which means the condition of if is false. Let's see in the code how we can do that. We're going to code on if-else condition in Java. Now let's make a new class in our BlueJ. I will click on class and I will name it. I'm saying it's my class. I will be going to name it if-else class, and I will be going to write our code here, right? So I will be going to just clear all that, and I want to start from the scratch. Alright, so we have the ID now, and we will start with class. Let's write the class there, class, and the name, that the same name that I have given there earlier. So the same name of the class I will be going to write. Okay, so I will write if else class. The E of the L must be capital, but I forgot to make it. So just you remember that whenever you are writing the class, so you use the Pascal convention. Okay, so now we will be going to go to end. Alright, now we have this curly braces that will be going to define the scope of the class. Now I will be going to write the main function inside our class as we do always. So we are doing public static void and main, and here I will be going to pass the arguments, which is string array. So let's do that now. Alright, let's give it a scope, that from where to where this main function having the range. So it will start from here and we can end up here, the yellow area. That's the main function area. Now we are making a class where we will going to ask that what is your age, we can now we will make a program where we will be going to take the decision that whether you are eligible for vote or not. If you are 18 or 18 plus, then you are eligible for vote, and if you are not 18 plus, that is you are lower than 18, like 17, 16, like so, then you are not eligible for the vote. So now the point is that on the basis of what we are making the decision, age, right? On the basis of age we are making, yes. So let's make a variable whose name is age again. So now let's make a variable whose name is age. I'm writing age, and it will give me error, so I have to give it a type. So I'm writing it's a integer type because age is a number. age is just a number. Okay, so now I will be going to write here if, and then I will give these parentheses, and I will say that if age is greater or equal to 18. Greater means it is more than 18 or equal to 18. A person who is having the age 18, that person is also eligible for vote. So what you will do is, it is saying me, it is giving me an error that you didn't initialize the age. So let me do that. Right now age is equals to 1. Okay, now I will be going to give here this statement inside my if block. I'm writing inside my if block, so just please pay attention about that we are writing inside the if, that system.out.println, and yeah, so we are writing it here. Now we will be going to pass a message that is eligible for vote. Okay, so I will be going to write here eligible for vote. eligible for vote. Okay, and the person who is not eligible for vote, for that person we have to put outside the if statement. So I'm going outside the if statement. So I'm not outside the if statement, I'm writing else, and here we will be going to tackle for those people who are not in the range of 18 or above than 18. So I'm writing here another statement, that is system dot out dot println and not eligible for vote. Okay, so we have wrote these two statements. Now let's run the code and check that what it will do. Right now the age is 1, as you can see that we have passed 1 in the variable. As per 1, you first pause the video and think about it, what should be printed, and then let's print it. I'm closing it and let's run the code. Main function. Okay, and here we go. It is saying that not eligible for vote, right? So now if I will be going to change the age here, let's say make it 18 instead of 1, and now you tell me what will happen. Yes, exactly, it will be going to print that eligible for vote. Let's check that. All right, it is saying that you are eligible for vote. So what is if the age is 17? What do you think? What it will do if the age is 17? Yes, we know that this if is getting failed. Why? Because 17 we have stored the 17 in age, and we are checking the age in if, and we are saying that if age is greater than 18, and we knew that 17 is not greater than 18. Let's compile and check. Let's see the mean, and here we go. It is saying that not eligible for vote because of 17, right? Let's say the age of a person is 95. Okay, I'm writing here 95, just checking it for the one more time and just going ahead, and let's see that it will see eligible for vote. See, we did it if else condition. Thank you so much. That was all about the video.